The apparition of the Blessed Virgin Mary to Saint Catherine Labouré in 1830 at Rue du Bac, Paris, France, was the prelude to the definition of the dogma of the Immaculate Conception. On November 27, 1830, Mary asked the young nun to have a medal struck patterned after the apparition with the inscription, "O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to thee." This medal, called the Medal of the Immaculate Conception, is widely known as the Miraculous Medal due to the numerous miracles attributed to it. The Filipinos' devotion to Nuestra Señora de la Medalla Milagrosa began with the arrival of the Daughters of Charity and the Congregation of the Mission on June 22, 1862 in the Philippines.